Hi everyone, today I am so excited to show you how to make an all-purpose breakfast batter. While we're all spending more time at home with our families lately, sometimes it can get to be really hard to please everyone in the mornings. This recipe is the solution. It's super versatile, a breeze to make, and requires just basic pantry ingredients, so there's no need to run out to the store at the last minute. You can use it to make pancakes or waffles, muffins, and even bake donuts, so there's something for everyone. I have my ingredients behind me, let's get started. So in this bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add half a cup of regular granulated sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And just whisk all of the dry ingredients until they're evenly combined. Now we're gonna add the wet ingredients. So I have 1 1/4 cups of cultured buttermilk, and this buttermilk is gonna add a really nice tang and richness that you wouldn't necessarily get by using regular whole milk. I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now you're just gonna whisk all of the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. It's really important that all of the dairy products are at room temperature because it will help them to combine evenly, and it will also prevent the eggs from curdling from the heat of the butter. You wanna leave a few lumps in the batter so that when you add in your chocolate chips, blueberries, sliced bananas, whatever your heart desires, you don't end up over mixing the dough, which will end up producing a really dry muffin or dry pancake. The lumps will also help the pancakes and muffins to rise and produce a really light, airy product. So that's it, that's the batter. And here's the finished product. I have a huge sweet tooth, so I chose to add milk chocolate chips to the batter and turned it into muffins, but you could easily add blueberries or raspberries when they're at their peak in summer. Cranberries and nuts would be great during the holiday season, or sliced bananas any time of the year. Same goes for pancakes or waffles. Any add-ins will be delicious. You can also turn the batter into donuts by baking them in a pan and then rolling them in cinnamon sugar or a delicious vanilla glaze. So next time you're wondering what to make for your family for breakfast, try this easy breezy all-purpose breakfast batter. And I can't wait any longer, so I'm gonna try one of these muffins right now.